Hi, I'm Owen from Square Balloon, and today we're going to do a quick tutorial on adding a bit more depth to your LinkedIn profile by adding more links than just your website to your page. So one of the key things in sales is to reduce any friction from the sale. We look at this a lot in our job in terms of e-commerce and helping people get to the page they want to get to quickly and make the purchase process easier and shorter and everything like that. But in LinkedIn, see a lot of people that just put their website on there, which is great, but they may not put the specific page that the person needs to go to, or even, as we're going to show you, a link to our bookings calendar. So I'm going to edit my profile, skip past all of this, and edit my contact info. And you see I can add a second website, so and a second website there. Accelerator problem. There you have it. If I save this now, then I should be able to close it, and then my page will have that link on it from now on. So it's just one way of adding just a little bit of an easier way for people to get through to booking the meeting with me. So I hope that helps. Thanks for watching. If you want any more information about improving your LinkedIn profile, social media, or anything like that, please do comment and let us know what you see, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks.